Cheers. This is the front door. Got some coats for you, staff. One for little Jeff for you. Nice one. Stephanie. And you. This is the kitchen. I'm just cleaning up here. And all the dishes, knives, forks, spoons, all kinds of pots and pans, a little waffle cooker, and lots of other stuff too. Coffee. Toaster, blender, and this is our living or kitchen table. Nice little kitchen table there. I just washed the couches and that, so they're still wet. That's the living room. Look at the big TV. And they say that's a salt rock there. Well, we're putting some more, get some pictures. We got one picture up there right now. And this is the hallway. Show you the kids' room. There's the kids' room. A couple of cute little pictures. So I got you shitload of clothes, babe. Everything. Nights and some stuff here. Aww. Pants and some what do you call those? PJs, pajamas. Cute little pillows for the kids. This is the bunk bed. This is the bunk bed. I gotta get a new mattress. This one's dirty. I can't clean it. So, got a little tickle trunk for the kids. Look at all the toys. Huh? Books. Toys. More toys. And this is our little towels and stuff for wash. This is our bedroom, babe. It's not done yet. I'm still fixing it, but there's bed. Look what I got for you. A house coat. You like? Nice little house coat, keep you warm. This is the bed. We're gonna put some pictures up here soon. And this is the washroom. Look at that. I already got you some stuff, baby. And soap. Some shavers so you can keep yourself clean. Q-tips. Soap. Got some baby wipes. And your bathtub. Shower. Not bad, eh? It'll look better, good when it's all set up, babe. But that's our place, babe.